All right, so today we wan create music with AI, and this type not be Oyibo music, not be every ordinary Afrobeat, proper Highlife. You know those type of Osadebe Highlife, Oliver the Coco Highlife. Now we want make AI create for us today. And guess what? We go give AI reference. Make AI not too stress. We will give am inspiration. Say, use this inspiration, create the music. Are you ready? Oh yeah, open your browser. Oga, do quick, open your browser. Not get that kind of time, I beg. All right, the first thing first. Now from this page, you click on reference. Now, this reference, you go upload the song where you want to make the AI copy, like make it get inspiration from. So for this case, upload the audio. I get this Osadebe instrumental. More play am. Most of us know the song. I know I make the song start from there, so I go move to the part where I want when the song don't start fully. So from here, so we get the idea. So this part now only like 30 seconds of the audio 9 day needed. So we go just pick only that part. Then we move to the genre because of say Highlife not day. So we go pick Afrobeat. Right. Then we move down to the mood. The mood we get happy, relaxed, romantic. The lyrics are romantic lyrics, but because of the style of song, we go choose relaxed. You know, all those big men, when they listen to all this kind of Highlife, they did very chill. So we go pick relaxed. Then we click on save. Right. So the reference go get this part. If you play. Now the part where we select. So lyrics. If you don't want lyrics, if you turn off the instrument, if you turn on instrumental, so the lyrics part go disappear. But here we want the lyrics. So make we copy our lyrics. Lyrics they here already. I go just like Command A, Command C, come under lyrics, paste them inside. Now, if you move down, where that part, if you choose your style here, but it not really matter because since you don't put a reference audio, if to say voice day, info just pick on the voice, but not only instrumental we upload. So if you come put, let's say we just write Afrobeat like this now. If you come display, you go see this warning sign. You go say selected audio takes priority. So anyway they enter here. Now share this one. Now it go be the most important thing where the AI go follow. Same thing with vocal gender. We select male, but it go let us know say selected audio takes priority. So song title. We'll just put my love, my wife. My love, my wife. Then you click on create. See and see the two songs here. So we go preview the first one, preview the second one. We're gonna two you go generate. So if you click on play, short more open now. It actually sounds like what else at the big go play.
When you walk in, things just slow down. People don't notice, but I do. The way you move, easy. No stress, no stress. Like you know something, Bruno. The rest of us don't. Your face, no, they show, but it stays with me.
Wow. We could hear the second one. We'll see what I will get a different surprise. So play. This one starts sweet though. I'll play them again. This one. I be this. abeg more than no verse. I need to repeat this one. Na the song be this. Na the real high life be this. Go back. Play. Wait. Again, I apologize. I need to play this thing again. I need to play am again.
When you walk in,
Na caveman be this
things
now.
just slow down.
Na caveman be this.
People don't notice, but I do. The way you move, easy, no stress, like you know something the rest of us don't. Your face, no they shout, but this stays with me. Even when everywhere loud, you're still the quiet I hear. I'm not chasing anything big. I just like how life feels when you're close. That's enough for me. I love the way.
Oh boy, if I dey here, we fit just dey listen to this song throughout today. Ma just scan through. Let's say, make I see whether interlude go dey before verse 2. Ma just say interlude. Interlude dey. Make I hear the interlude. Mad.
You don't dress to impress.
Guys.
Still you.
Oh boy, leave abeg. Na proper high life be that. So in case you wan create your own, you go check the link wey dey for this video, the comment section and the description. You go see a link wey go direct you straight to the home page where you go fit take create your own. People wey dey ask me say, is it free? It's not free. You go need to pay about, I think, $7 or so. Na $7 I pay. I'm not remember. E dey very clear. If you like, you like. If you like, you comment. People wey never subscribe, you dey think say you dey do me, but the truth be say you dey do yourself. I don go.